That is the wrong button. Alright, here we go. Alright, Tokyo Avengers. And by the way, we'll be pausing and everything a lot. This is going to be like... It's a reaction, right? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Now, this is coming in a really amazing arc in the manga, the Christmas Showdown arc, which I'm so excited to see animated. I loved it in the manga. Ooh. Ooh. This is, so far, it's really good. I'm liking the beat about it. Oh! Yeah. Shit goes down here. Alright? It goes down. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Wait. This dude, absolute beast. And these guys, great new characters. Great new characters. I'm loving this. Hey, Tracker. Chifu, my boy Chifu right here. The absolute GOAT. Ooh. 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 Oh my god! Oh! 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 Okay, okay, hold on. Like, y'all heard that? Like... Ooh. That is... Okay. Okay, we're getting close. This is definitely on the same level as Crybaby. Ooh. 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 Hey. Ah. Ah. Baji. This is a great shot, by the way. The animation looks really good in this trailer. I mean, not trailer, this opening. This song is a certified banger already. See that? Oh. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's better than Crybaby. I think it's more of a... It's... better than Crybaby. That's what I'm thinking. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this is an absolute banger. Oh my god. Let me tell you, Takemichi goes on a crazy arc. This season is going to be absolute fire. I will be reacting to it on the channel. Ooh. 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 Oh, all the memories. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then you get some of the boys. Yes. Okay, that was... I mean... that was insanely good. I am overly impressed with...
Okay. Ok. Este es el arco de... creo que es el Christmas Showdown. Ok. Ok. Mikey, Draken. Ya no me acuerdo los nombres. Hace muchísimo que no lo veo. Ok. 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 Uy. Se viene. Ok. F. Todas las versiones de... Ok. Oye, está buena la canción, ¿eh? Muy buena la canción. Ok, los recuerdos. Ok, está bien. Está muy bien, está muy bien, está muy bien. Me gustó.